In 1994, Rwanda experienced one of the most tragic events in modern history, the Rwandan Genocide. Over the span of just 100 days, around 800,000 Tutsis and moderate Hutus were brutally killed by extremist Hutu militias. Ethnic tensions fueled by colonial history and political power struggles exploded into violence. The world watched in shock, but international intervention came too late. Today, Rwanda continues to rebuild, honoring the victims and striving for unity. Ethnic tensions, long fostered by colonialism and political power struggles, erupted into a massacre. Communities were torn apart and neighbor turned on neighbor in a frenzy of violence. While the world watched in horror, Rwanda was left to face the unimaginable alone. Today, Rwanda continues to heal, honoring the memory of those lost and working towards a peaceful future. Never Again resonates as the country moves forward, united in hope. Never Again echoes as Rwanda heals and looks forward.